meet the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. And now what makes this Ultra? It may not look like it, but this is a very capable laptop. Actually, this might be your next gaming laptop. It has a 4070 NVIDIA graphics card, beautiful 16-inch OLED display, and a super huge trackpad. So let's take a look. The reason the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra bears the Ultra moniker isn't due to its size, it's because of its powerful specs. Though it may not look like it, this machine should be quite the capable gaming laptop. Given the specs in this laptop, the inclusion of an HDMI port could potentially make it a desktop replacement, especially for those who may have an older machine. And of course, the ability to use an external monitor when gaming is something that will keep gamers like myself happy. Different configurations come with the latest Intel CPUs and NVIDIA GPUs. To be specific, 13th Gen Intel Core i7 and i9 processors, and NVIDIA RTX 4050 and RTX 4070 laptop GPUs. Combined with up to 32 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage for the high-end model, we expect the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra to find a place in our best gaming laptops list. Even now, just checking it out, I love the way it feels. Again, very light. The keys feel good. Big trackpad. I actually like the fact that it's not censored. That always kind of throws me off, but this is actually pretty good. And the screen, fairly bright. They said it maxes out at 400 nits. We'll obviously need to test that ourselves, but it's pretty bright. As a matter of fact, you can see right here the orange, how vibrant it is, and the blue as well. Opening 20 windows and running a YouTube video, the laptop became warmer, but it wasn't uncomfortable keeping it on my lap. Of course, our heat test will determine how hot this machine can actually get. We can't make any final determination until we fully tested the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, but based on its specs, there's a lot to get excited about. Right now, I'm checking out the webcam, which is full HD, which is 1080p, which is good because obviously we do a lot of video conferencing nowadays for both work and just talking to your friends and family. You obviously don't want to look, bad, for the lack of a better term. So I like how it actually pretty accurately captures my skin tone. And I believe it also has a tracking technology. Yeah, it does. You can see. Just trying to keep track of my face. One of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra's handiest features is Samsung Multi-Control, which allows you to control your Galaxy smartphone with the laptop's keyboard and touchpad. This enables you to copy, paste, or drag and drop files between devices. The second screen feature turns Galaxy tablets into an additional monitor. It's a bit weird dragging the laptop's cursor over to a Galaxy phone and back. However, it's so seamless it becomes second nature within seconds. Even with my brief hands-on time with the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, I can tell it has the potential to be Samsung's best laptop ever. Stay tuned for a full review of the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra.